Hi everyone. Today we're going to focus on document headings. You can access these features from the main menu, then clicking on Options and Printer Setup. This dialog basically allows you to set one or more pictures to use as headers or footers in your printouts. This is way more flexible and customizable than the default company logo setup. Moreover, once you set an heading, this is used on every page of your documents and printouts. Let's see an example. First, we import a new picture that we want to use as header. Then we resize it, and you can just set one of the two dimensions. The other one will be scaled down accordingly. The preview on the left shows all your changes in real time. When using this new header icon, you can also disable the default headers, the one for the job information, the one on top for the printouts. Now we can set margins to edit the page layout and add some space around the page. As you can see now, we are using the whole page as default, but we will set 20 millimeters for this layout. The next part is used to edit the layout of the logo section, changing its position and its alignment. We will move it to the top and on the center. There is also another set of margins, but this time we will use it to edit the available space which is normally reserved for the document information. This one is highlighted on the left with a red rectangle. Let's add other 10 millimeters around. Lastly, you can choose one or more type of documents you wish to see this heading into. Let's assign it to the window chart and check what happens when we print it from our job page. As you can see, the page margins have changed, and now we can see our logo without any default header. The document content is also shrinked to a smaller area due to the margins we chose. This layout is used on every page of the document. Thank you for your time and see you on the next video.